Hey there, it's Sarah. Are you an older man wondering what younger women might find irresistible about you? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the surprising qualities that make mature men like you absolutely magnetic to the opposite sex. From your distinguished facial features to your confident demeanor, we'll explore the traits that younger women can't resist in an older man. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to showcase your most attractive assets. Before we start, if you're curious about some personalized dating advice, why not start with a free 60-minute strategy call with one of our expert coaches? Just check the link in the description or pinned comment. Now let's dive in. 1. Rugged facial features. First up, let's talk about the allure of a weathered face. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but I thought women were all about that baby smooth skin. Well, think again, my friend. You see, as younger women mature, they start to appreciate the character and stories that come with a few well-earned lines and wrinkles. Those rugged facial features of yours? They're like a roadmap of your life experiences, and women find that incredibly sexy. Each crease and fold tells a tale of the challenges you've faced, the laughs you've shared, and the wisdom you've gained along the way. It's like your face is a testament to your strength, resilience, and zest for life. So, don't be afraid to let those distinguished features shine. Embrace the crinkles around your eyes and the dimples in your cheeks. Younger women are drawn to the authenticity and depth that comes with a face that's been around the block a time or two. And here's the best part. You don't have to do a thing to cultivate this attractive quality. Just keep living your life to the fullest and let your rugged good looks speak for themselves. Trust me, when a woman looks into your weathered face, she's not seeing imperfections. She's seeing a man who's lived, loved, and learned. And that, my friend, is the epitome of sexy. 2. Strong hands. All right, fellas, let's move on to another unexpected asset. Your hands. Now, I'm not talking about those soft, manicured mitts that look like they've never seen a day of hard work. No, I'm talking about the kind of hands that exude strength, capability, and dependability. You see, younger women are incredibly attracted to a man who looks like he knows how to handle himself and the world around him. And one of the most telling signs of that competence? A pair of strong, sturdy hands. Think about it. When a woman sees your hands, she's not just seeing a collection of fingers and palms. She's seeing a symbol of your ability to protect, provide, and take charge. She's imagining those hands fixing a leaky faucet, changing a tire, or building a piece of furniture from scratch. And that, my friend, is a major turn-on. But it's not just about the physical strength of your hands. It's also about the way you use them. When you shake someone's hand with a firm, confident grip, or when you gently brush a stray hair out of a woman's face, you're sending a powerful message about your character and your intentions. So, don't be afraid to put those strong hands to good use. Whether you're opening a jar for a damsel in distress or offering a reassuring touch to someone in need, your hands are a key tool in your attraction arsenal. Just remember, with great hand power comes great responsibility. Use them wisely and watch as women swoon over your manly mitts. 3. The salt and pepper beard. Now, gentlemen, let's talk about the facial hair phenomenon that's taking the dating world by storm, the salt and pepper beard. That's right, the days of the clean-shaven baby face are officially over. Younger women are going wild for the sophisticated, sexy look of a well-groomed beard with just the right amount of gray. There's just something about that blend of dark and light hair that screams distinguished gentleman. It's like a visual representation of your life experience and maturity, with a dash of roguish charm thrown in for good measure. And the best part? A salt and pepper beard is like an instant upgrade to your appearance. It adds depth and dimension to your face, making you look more interesting and complex. But before you go wild with the beard growth, remember, the key to a sexy salt and pepper look is all in the grooming. Keep it trimmed and tidy, and make sure to invest in some quality beard oil to keep it soft and shiny. With a little bit of effort and a lot of confidence, your salt and pepper beard will be the talk of the town. Younger women will be lining up to run their fingers through that irresistible facial hair, and you'll be basking in the glow of your newfound sex appeal. Embrace the gray, gentlemen. It's your ticket to attraction success. 4. Commanding stature. Let's move on to an attraction factor that's all about the way you carry yourself, your commanding stature. Now, I'm not talking about your height or your shoe size. I'm talking about the way you move through the world with purpose, authority, and self-assurance. Younger women are incredibly drawn to men who exude a sense of power and control. It's not about being domineering or aggressive. It's about having a strong presence and a clear sense of who you are and what you want. When you walk into a room with your head held high and your shoulders back, you're sending a signal that you're a man to be reckoned with. You're not afraid to take up space, to speak your mind, and to go after what you want. And that, my friend, is incredibly sexy. But a commanding stature isn't just about your physical posture. It's also about the way you communicate and interact with others. When you speak with conviction and listen with genuine interest, you're showing that you're a man of substance and depth. So, how do you cultivate a commanding stature? It all starts with self-awareness and self-acceptance. Know who you are, what you stand for, and what you bring to the table. Then, let that confidence shine through in every move you make and every word you speak. Trust me, when you master the art of the commanding stature, women will be powerless to resist your magnetic appeal. Appreciating the insights in today's video? Imagine how much more you could achieve with personalized guidance from a dedicated dating coach. Our free 60-minute strategy call is a game changer for anyone serious about improving their dating skills. This 1-hour session is more than just a call. It's a tailored experience where our expert coaches provide you with specific, actionable advice on meeting women and dating with assurance. Click the link in the pinned comment to book your session and start dating with renewed confidence and success. 5. Relaxed confidence. Now, gentlemen, let's talk about the most important attraction factor of all: relaxed confidence. This is the quality that separates the boys from the men, the wannabes from the real deals. It's the ability to be completely comfortable in your own skin, no matter what life throws your way. Younger women are drawn to men who know who they are and what they're about. They're attracted to guys who don't need to prove themselves or put on a show to impress others. And that, my friend, is the essence of relaxed confidence. When you have this quality, you're not afraid to be vulnerable or to show your true self. You're not constantly seeking validation or approval from others. Instead, you're content with who you are and what you have to offer, and you trust that the right people will appreciate you for it. This kind of confidence is incredibly sexy because it's authentic and effortless. It's not about being the loudest or the flashiest guy in the room. It's about being grounded, centered, and self-assured in a way that puts others at ease. So, how do you cultivate relaxed confidence? It all starts with self-acceptance and self-love. Embrace your quirks, your flaws, and your unique personality. Don't try to be someone you're not, and don't apologize for who you are. Then, focus on developing your passions and your interests. Pursue the things that light you up and make you feel alive. When you're engaged in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, your confidence will naturally shine through. With a little bit of practice and a lot of self-compassion, you'll be radiating relaxed confidence in no time. And when you do, women will be drawn to you like moths to a flame. They won't be able to resist the allure of a man who's truly comfortable in his own skin. 6. Polished footwear. All right, guys, let's finish up with a little bonus attraction tip: the power of polished footwear. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Shoes? Really? That's what younger women are looking at? But hear me out. You see, the shoes you wear say a lot about your attention to detail and your overall sense of style. When you take the time to invest in quality footwear and to keep it looking sharp, you're sending a message that you care about the little things and that you take pride in your appearance. And trust me, women notice. They may not be staring at your feet all night, but they'll definitely pick up on the overall impression your shoes make. A man in a well-tailored suit and scuffed, dirty shoes? It's like a gourmet meal served on a paper plate. It just doesn't work. But a man in a crisp button-down and a pair of shiny, well-maintained dress shoes? That's a winning combination. It shows that you're put together, sophisticated, and ready for anything. So, don't neglect your footwear game, gentlemen. Invest in a few quality pairs of shoes and take the time to keep them looking their best. Polish them regularly, replace them when they start to wear out, and always make sure they're appropriate for the occasion. With a little bit of effort and a lot of style, your shoes will be the cherry on top of your already irresistible package. Younger women will be impressed by your attention to detail and your overall sense of refinement. And who knows, they may just be tempted to take a closer look at the man behind the shoes. And there you have it, gentlemen. The surprising qualities that make older men like you absolutely irresistible to younger women. So what's next for you? Discover the signs a woman hasn't had sex in a long time, or learn the art of flirtation as an older guy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.